Welcome to FS Tech channel. Today episode is HVAC duct weight calculation in Navisworks. Open the duct model using Navisworks software and click one of the duct. Click Properties tab. You can see here Properties palette, length, height, width, including other parameters are there. Then click one duct piece. Click the select same in the Navisworks. Click the same name in the drop-down menu. Then it will select all the ducts. Now all the ducts in the model is selected. Then click the quantification. Now we going to quantify the duct. Click the project setup. Now we will get the quantification setup wizard like this. Here CSI means Construction Specification Institute. This is some format, CSI 16, CXI 40, unformat. These are the format which are used to quantify our duct quantity. We can select CSI 16. Then click Next. Now we will get the quantification setup wizard. It shows what units we require. Click the metric and click Next. From this menu, you select what is the unit you require. For the ducts, length should be meters and width and height should be millimeters. Then we here already length, it is mentioned meters. Then width and height we require to change to the millimeters. And click Next. Click Finish. This is the CSI format. Then I require to select the item from the quantification workbook to transfer the quantification. Since quantification done for ductwork, I will select mechanical item. Then we are getting like this two tables. Top one, it is the summary. Bottom one is the breakdown of the summary. Now click the model takeoff. Then click the takeoff to selected. Selected means already we selected this mechanical folder. Then we will get the breakdown of the complete duct quantities. We will select one folder. Here, this is the breakdown. This is the summary. We can see now length is showing as 0. Width is given. Height also given as 0. Here only quantified width only. Length and height is not quantified. We will see how to get length and height. Now we selected item catalog. From the item catalog, you can see this properties mapping. This is called mapping. We require length and height to be mapped. Click the properties mapping. Then we will get this property mapping box. From here, click plus. From the object, select the description 1. From the category, select the element. Now we select our one of the unknown parameter, that is height. Now again click the plus mark, then it will get another line. Select the description 2. Select element same as above, but here third under properties select the length. Click OK. Then we again go to the quantification workbook. Now click the here change analysis. Click analyze change. Then you can see here like this icon, that means already analyzed. To get choose object column palette, right click and select the name. Here we require to click the description too. Now you can see already description 2 column is added. Please subscribe me, click the bell icon, give your like, give your comment under the comment section. Now you can see this changes happen but not updated. Then click update tab. Then click update selected from model. You can see now already description 1, that is height, is filled, but description 2, that is length, is not filled. We will see what to do. Right click and click choose columns. Now we are going to remove unnecessary column, because these antique columns we not require. Viewport we will remove. Model thickness we will remove. Model perimeter we will remove. Model volume, volume weight, model thickness, parameter, volume, weight. Now it only shows we required parameters only. Now already width is given, height is given under the description 1 column, but description we already mapped length under description 2, but it has not given. Now we require to get the length. This is summary. This is detailed breakdown. Now you can see here primary quantity. This primary quantity, this cell is to write formula to get any parameter which is not showing here. Now we have to write a formula to get the length, because already area is given, width is given, and height is given under description 1. You know this area is rectangular duct is 2 into width plus height into length. Our formula is area divided by 2 into width plus description 1. Please keep in mind here we require to write same as this heading. Same spellings we have to write. Then it will only give this figure here. Description 1 close bracket multiplied by 0.001 by multiplied by 0.001. Here area is given by meter square, width and height is given in millimeters. We are change this millimeters to meters, and length here we get from meters. Now you can see it. When enter this formula, it will show length under the primary quantities, and this is the summary. This is, you can see, breakdown. The formula, it is enough. It is only right in the summary. We will update this line. Click this line. Right click that line. Select all takeoffs. Then it will select the all takeoff. Already you can see change analysis already happened. We already done change analysis. And now we have to, each row we have to update like this, selecting. Then click the update and click update selected from model. Now here we have to write this again earlier under primary quantities formula. Now we not required to write again. We have to go to the earlier row and copy that formula and paste here. From here, copy and paste to here. Here you can see automatically get this length. Like this way, all the lines we have to individually go and update. Now we require to export this sheet to Excel. We click this icon, click the export quantities to Excel. Click the location to be saved and click save button. Then we will get the Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet. You can see all the duct quantities are given. To transfer the duct area to duct weight, please see my episode 1 HVAC duct weight calculation in Revit. Please click the link in the description area. Please subscribe me. Click the bell icon. Give your like. Give your comment under the comment section.